Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the new fresh topic, that is quadrilateral and its properties. What is meant by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is nothing but a closed figure having four sides and four angles. Here A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S, these are two quadrilaterals. Okay. There are six types of quadrilateral. First one is square, then rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium and kite. The properties of these quadrilaterals we can see one by one. The first one is square. See this figure. This is a square. What is the properties of square? Here side AB and side CD are equal and BC and AD are also equal. That means in square four sides are equal. Then all angles are also equal. That is, it is at 90 degree. Then diagonals are also equal. Diagonals means line segment which joins the opposite corners. Opposite corners. That means B to D. This distance we can call the diameter of this square. There are two diameters in square, that means AC and BD. These are two diagonals here. Okay. These diagonals bisect perpendicularly. Bisect means making equal two parts. Bisect means making equal two parts. We can write the properties of quadrilateral. The first one is square. First property, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Second property, all sides are equal. Second property, all angles are in 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree and equal also. Diagonals are also equal in square. Diagonals are equal. Diagonal bisect. These two diagonals bisect perpendicularly to each other. Perpendicularly means in 90 degree. See here. These two diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. We can write diagonals bisect perpendicularly. And one more point that is extra. We know that area of square is L square. That means side square. Side जर आपण L consider केली तर याचा काय होणार आहे? L square होणार आहे. Is it clear? Then second quadrilateral is rectangle. See this figure. In this rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. Two opposite sides means PQ ची लेंथ जेवढी असणार आहे तेवढीच लेंथ SR ची असणार आहे. Is it clear? Then two diagonals are also equal. दोन्ही diagonal equals आहेत. Then all angles are in 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree and diagonal bisect but not perpendicularly. See here, diagonal bisect but not perpendicularly. So we can write the first property of rectangle is opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Opposite sides are equal and parallel also. Okay, parallel means त्या कितीही जरी एक्सटेंड केल्या तर एकमेकांना कधीही इंटरसेक्ट होणार नाही. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी वी कॅन राईट all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Is it clear? Then diagonals are also equal. Here the length of PR is equal to the length of QS. Okay. Diagonals are also equal. We can write the fourth property of rectangle is diagonal bisect but not perpendicularly. Diagonals bisect करता है, that means make exact two parts but not in 90 degree. Is it clear? Diagonals bisect but not perpendicularly. Okay, and fifth point, we can write the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, we know that L into B, that means here length multiplied by breadth. Okay, then next quadrilateral is rhombus. What is meant by rhombus? Rhombus having four equal sides but not equal angles. Is it clear? Four equal sides but not equal angles. Only opposite angles are equal. Only opposite angles are equal. That means L and N is equal. Then M and O, these are also equal. Okay. Then we can write the property of rhombus. First one, all sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Only opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Okay. Then diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals, that means LN and MO bisect each other perpendicularly, but the length of these diagonals is not equal. Can you understand? Yes, diagonal bisect, but the length of diagonal is not equal. Then we can write the third property, diagonal bisect perpendicularly. Diagonal bisect perpendicularly. Okay. But length of diagonal, these two diagonals are not equal. See here, carefully listen. Diagonals are not equal. That means LN is not equal to length of MO. Is it clear? Diagonals are not equal. Okay, and we know that the area of rhombus, how to find out the area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is nothing but the half of product of its diagonals. Half of product of diagonals. Is it clear? Then next one, next quadrilateral is parallelogram. See, this is a parallelogram. In this diagram, we can see that the opposite sides are equal and parallel. These all opposite sides means this one opposite side is this. Opposite sides, that means front side एकमेकांना काय आहेत, parallel आहेत and also having equal length. And opposite angles, see here, opposite angles are also equal. That means angle D is equal to angle F, then angle E is equal to angle G. Is it clear? So we can write the first property of parallelogram is first one, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite means आमने सामने वाले. Is it clear? Means DE and GF, these are opposite sides. Okay. And also parallel. And also parallel. That means आपण या लाईन कितीही एक्सटेंड केल्या तरी त्या एकमेकांना इंटरसेक्ट होणार नाहीत. Then second property, opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Like rhombus. Is it clear? Then third property, diagonals are not equal, only bisecting here. Is it clear? Length of diagonal is not equal, but only bisecting. Bisecting means making equal two parts. That means diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Only bisecting. Only bisecting. Is it clear? We can easily write these properties only looking carefully the diagram. Then fourth most important property is adjacent sides. Adjacent side means this side and this side, that means DG and DE. It is adjacent sides, that means शेजारच्या sides. आणि adjacent angles, that means D, angle D ला adjacent angle E. Is it clear? Adjacent angles, D चा adjacent angle E. तसा D चा adjacent angle G सुद्धा होऊ शकतो. Is it clear? See property, adjacent angles make sum of 180 degree. 180 degree. हे कसं तर या ज्या पॅरलल लाईन्स आहेत त्या जर आपण एक्सटेंड केल्या तर हे कसले अँगल्स होणार आहेत? हे इंटेरियर अँगल्स दिसत आहेत ना. इंटेरियर अँगल्स, दॅट मीन्स अँगल डी अँड अँगल ई. दोन पॅरलल लाईन्समधले हे दोन अँगल्स आहेत ते इंटेरियर अँगल्स आहेत. अँड वी नो दॅट दी सम ऑफ इंटेरियर अँगल्स इज 180 डिग्री. इज इट क्लिअर? देन नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, that means next property, extra. We can write this extra. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Height म्हणजे ही हाईट आपण कन्सिडर याला हाईट नाहीत म्हणू शकत आपण. हाईट मीन्स दॅट इज इन 90 डिग्री परपेंडिक्युलर टाकावा लागतो. ओके. That means area of parallelogram is base into height. Then next quadrilateral is trapezium. In trapezium only one pair is parallel to each other. In trapezium only one pair, that means HK is parallel to IJ. Is it clear? HK is parallel to IJ. That means we can write the first property of trapezium. Only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Is it clear? This means only one pair. This one is हिअर बट एक्सटेंड केल्यावर या दोन लाईन कुठंतरी इंटरसेक्ट होणार आहेत. अँड एक्स्ट्रा हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रॅपेझियम. दॅट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ ट्रॅपेझियम, formula of area of trapezium is equal to half of sum of length of parallel sides, sum of length of parallel sides into height. Is it clear? Yes. Then last quadrilateral, that is kite. See here. In this figure, ABCD is a kite-shaped quadrilateral. In this kite, we can see that there are two isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, that means having only two sides are equal. There are two isosceles triangle, that means here ABD, this one triangle, and another triangle is DBC. These two triangles are isosceles triangles and diagonals are not equal, but only one diagonal is bisect and bisect in 90 degree. Is it clear? And in isosceles triangle, two adjacent sides are equal. Is it clear? So we can write the first property of kite is two isosceles triangles. Kite having two isosceles triangles. Two isosceles triangles, that means having two triangles which are isosceles, that means having two adjacent sides equal. See here, AB, the length of AB is equal to the length of AD. Then the length of BC is equal to length of DC. Okay. We can write the next property of kite is only one diagonal is bisect. Only one. That means AC bisect the BD in 90 degree, but BD is not bisecting, only intersecting. Is it clear? Is not bisecting. That means not making equal parts, only intersecting. Is it clear? That means only one diagonal bisect. Only one diagonal. Is bisecting. And third property is diagonal intersecting perpendicularly. Both diagonals are not bisecting, only one diagonal is bisecting and these two diagonals are intersecting perpendicularly. Is it clear? We can write the third property is diagonals intersecting perpendicularly. Okay. So in this lecture we have to see, in this lecture आपण काय पाहिलं तर quadrilateral and its properties, types of quadrilateral in detail. तुम्हाला जर मित्रांनो माझा हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर नक्की लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ. बाय बाय.